Lufthansa is excited they are getting the first 787-9er next week. Lufthansa pilots are ready for strike, but they promised not to strike until I will tell you the date. And of course, like always, we have a deal zone deal for you. It is a premium economy deal from the US to Berlin with Scandinavian Airlines below $700 US. And we wait. My name is Lars. I'm here to bring you more miles, more points, more status. Today's episode is starting with one of your questions, if I can do consulting for. Of course, I can consult you. And I do have even a free consulting, which is the first 15 minutes which we talk is for free. There we can talk about any topic which is related to more miles, more points, more status. If you say, I want to go more deep into details, then you can book 1 hour, 60 minutes for $129 US. And then if you say, it's not deep enough, no problem. $299 is 3 hours. This 3 hours you can cut in 3 different 1 hour sessions where we can work on your topics, where we can even work on your strategies and everything which makes you available for more miles, more points, more status, that you do not miss out on tricks and tips. Even if you want to do something, we can do it online and I can show you how to do it with my knowledge. If you're looking for a Star Alliance Gold status or for a One World status, like for example Finnair Gold Card, there we have a consulting as well. It's for free. These two are for free as well. The link you will find down in the show notes. There you can just book your appointment and use easily the tool Acuity Scheduling, which gives you all my available times. If you are in Berlin, you have a lot of time because your luggage is most likely missing. And not only that the luggage was missing, the airport was flooded. They had a thunderstorm and the loadies stopped working and then hell broke loose. Shortly after 3 p.m. in the afternoon, the chaos started and the weather flooded areas within the airport. And one room where they check the stuff for security, there was water coming in like in a rainforest shower. You see it on the pictures. It is unbelievable. I mean, they have a nightmare with the water. They have a pool thing. It was up to the heels, the water, which must be approximately, if you look on it, I would guess 15 to 20 centimeters. That would be heel high, in my opinion. They have still the suitcase situation, but the suitcase situation as well is getting out of control. It is smelling there like, I don't know, and it's unbelievable. A friend of mine who was in Düsseldorf to pick up his suitcase, who can't localize it with the AirTag, luckily, he said it was smelling. And now they say in Berlin, it's unbelievable with the heat. And even there comes liquid out of suitcases that must be some rotten meat. And if you know, when you have a dog, you give them pansen, the stomach of the cow, one of those 7. It smells like hell, but he says that this is kind of a perfume still when you consider which kind of smells are in the suitcase area. Unbelievable, unbelievable. I hope that they get rid of their problems in Berlin when it comes to water. I mean, they had water leakages regularly there, even if it's no new building. It's unfortunate, but I hope for everyone that you get your suitcases back and you get no wet feet. Lufthansa is fighting with the pilots. And the pilots said, we are ready to go on strike. But now they said, hey, we have on Tuesday, the 30th of August, our next talk. But until then, we will not go on strike. And that is something which is positive for us, that we have at least a possibility to plan ahead. They said they can go on strike every day. So if Tuesday there comes no solution, maybe Wednesday morning, hell breaks loose, aircrafts are not going. That would be unfortunate in my opinion. I mean, I told you that the 5,000 pilots are looking for 5.5% more and an automatic increase according to inflation. I don't know who is on the right side of life, but I think that Lufthansa has to find a solution with them. The pilots have to find a solution with Lufthansa. Lufthansa found a solution with Boeing. The 787-9er is going tomorrow on its first trip over the pond. It's a Delta Alpha Bravo Papa Alpha, and I think a lot of you will check it on Flight Radar when this aircraft is leaving Everett and landing on Monday in Frankfurt. I hope the weather is fine, that you can make great pictures when it's landing. And this aircraft will go then into the maintenance and will get retrofitted. Actually, not really retrofitted, because it's just a light retrofit, how I call it, because they just change colors, curtains and stuff. So that is a easy thing for them to do. But it's the first aircraft, so they don't know how long it takes. In autumn, they get the next one, number 2. It's a Papa Delta. What should we think about? Looking forward for the flights within Germany. And you asked me where they're flying to. They are flying to Toronto in Canada. That is the first destination for the 787. And now we're coming to Deal Zone. Yes, Deal Zone deal. Airfares which are interesting are from Scandinavian Airlines. Of course, New York to Berlin, $690. That flight is going via Copenhagen. And it's valid for travel commencing on or after 1st of November and before 30th April 2023. Sales restriction is that the ticket must be issued after 18th of August until the 28th of August. So you have to do it until tomorrow. Booking class is A. The price $690, like I told you. Then the first Sunday after departure of the outbound transatlantic sector can be then used for return again. And maximum stay is 3 months. Ticket is not refundable. Ticket charge $300 for reissue and the ticket change. If you fly Newark, Copenhagen, Berlin in a 330 and you go back then the same way or via Stockholm, you can use both. Then you get the miles I accumulated for you. The flight via what did I do? I did Stockholm. I did Stockholm for and back, and then to Newark. The miles you get for Air China are 17,910. Air India and TAP and Copa are giving you, no, sorry, Copa not. They are giving you 17,804 Copa, and Avianca and Turkish and Aegean, Egypt Air giving you 13,353. Virgin Atlantic South African Alpha gives you around 11,000, like Singapore Air Canada. SAS is giving you 11,000. Of course, you get more points when you are collecting with SAS. Miles and More is only giving you 9,340 miles. And interestingly, like always, Air New Zealand, 0 points. Thank you for watching Frequent Traveler TV, and do not hesitate to contact me if you have any questions in regards of the consulting. Do not forget to hit the notification button after you subscribe, comment, and leave us a like. Thank you for doing so. A lovely Saturday, and see you tomorrow for the next episode of Frequent Traveler TV. Take off. Bye.